Lemon orzo with peas is a delightful and refreshing pasta dish that combines the flavors of citrusy lemon, tender orzo pasta, and sweet peas. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, our celebration is all about a pasta. In fact, we're celebrating orzo, and we're making my lemon orzo with peas. Lemon orzo with peas. Now, this recipe was inspired by our friend Daniella over at Black Cat Kitchen. We're going to leave you a link to her channel. She recently did an episode on pasta al limon, which is a classic lemony pasta dish. It's delicious. And it was so good that I wanted to make my own little version of it. So here we are. I have a nice big skillet here. I'm going to put on the heat, medium heat or so. We're going to add some olive oil to start. 2 tablespoons of olive oil right in. And then we're going to add some butter. Just 1 little tablespoon of butter. What is that going to do? The butter is going to add another layer of flavor, and the olive oil is going to keep the butter from burning too quickly. All right, the butter's all melted. We're going to add some vegetables. We're going to add peas, since it's lemon orzo with peas. I have here 12 ounces, 340 grams, thereabouts, of frozen peas. Right out of the package. We're going to put these right in the pan. We're going to give them a little salt and pepper. And we'll give them a stir. We're really just going to cook them for 1 or 2 minutes until they start to warm through and thaw a little bit. It's been 2 minutes or so. Now, when you're doing this, if your peas let loose a lot of extra water, just let it go for another minute or so to evaporate some of the extra water. These are pretty good though. So let's add some more flavors. We're going to add next some lusciousness and richness in the form of heavy cream. I have 4 ounces, 120 mils of heavy cream. Right in. Now, we said this is a lemony pasta dish, so we're going to add some juice of a lemon. There it is. Juice of 1 lemon. Right in. We're going to give this a good stir, and we're going to let this come up to the boil. Our sauce is coming up to the boil. It's going to start to thicken. Now is the time to add orzo. Here's my orzo. This is tricolored orzo. This is the kind I get. You don't have to use the tricolored if you can't find it. You can use regular orzo, but you can see it's a rice-shaped pasta. A lot of people think it's a grain. It's actually pasta. This is 2 cups, 315 grams that I just cooked per the package directions. It took about 10 minutes. We're going to put this right in. Next up is Parmesan cheese. I have here in my bowl half a cup, which weighs out to about 20 grams or so of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to use about half of it, or 1/4 cup, 10 grams. Right in. And then 1 more boost of lemon. Here is the zest of that lemon I juiced earlier, right in our pot. Now I'm going to stir this well to combine. Beautiful, colorful. At this point is when you want to taste for seasoning. I think we need just a tiny bit more pepper. All right, that should do it. Now I'm going to cut the heat. I'm going to let this just kind of sit and marry for a few minutes. Then we're going to do the tasting. Here we are. I've let this sit just for a few minutes. And look how creamy and delicious it is. So I'm going to dish some up quite a bit. Now, I'm serving this tonight as a side dish, but you could very easily make this into a main course. You could add more vegetables. It'd be really nice with zucchini or peppers, something like that. You could add a protein. You could add grilled shrimp or scallops or chicken. It'd be wonderful in a complete meal. So here's my little dish. I'm going to add some more Parmesan, and I'll add the rest of this to that pot before I serve it. I'm going to give it just a tiny little sprinkling of some greens, some parsley, and then one last little treat for me. I have some very good extra virgin olive oil, just a light little drizzle right on top. Now let's give this a taste. Wow. This is so good. It's fresh from all that lemon and then a little bit of parsley at the end. Very fresh and very light. This orzo, silky and smooth, kind of like a risotto, but smoother. And then the cream in it just binds it all together. It's delicious. I think I need a little sip of wine tonight. I'm having a very nice Sauvignon Blanc with this, but drink what you like. Very good. If you like this episode and if you've learned something, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell, and you'll get a new episode every single week. Now I'm going to go serve this to my family and we're going to devour it. While we do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers!